Welcome to Instruqt Tutorials! In this video, we'll discuss how to utilize the Instruqt Salesforce integration once it's been installed, along with its reporting capabilities. With this integration, you can create and send invites from Salesforce, track engagement automatically, and use that data to focus on the deals that matter most. When the integration is installed, Instruqt data lives in Salesforce as custom objects, all included within the managed package. This means your team can control where Instruqt data appears in the Salesforce interface. If you have not set up the integration yet, pause this video and check out our installation video before moving forward. Let's start with the day-to-day workflow. In the app launcher, search for opportunities, then click into an opportunity to open the record. Now we'll create an invite. Click the quick action Create Instruqt Invite in the Highlights panel. Let's add in the details for our invitation. Then choose if this will be sent as a link or embedded on a website, and also if it is self-paced or a live event. Click Next. Here we'll select which labs or tracks we want to include. Now, let's configure the invite settings and decide who should have access. There are 3 ways you can share an invite. You can allow anonymous access, require users to fill out a form before starting, or send the invite to specific contacts tied to the opportunity. A few best practices to keep in mind. Use self-paced for asynchronous evaluations. Set a reasonable play limit so prospects can retry if needed. Add an expiration date to create gentle urgency. And in most cases, avoid anonymous access if you want full visibility into who engaged. For this example, we'll send the invite to specific contacts. After you've configured the settings, click Create Invite. Well done! Let's select Open Invite, and we are brought to the invite page within Salesforce. From here, we can copy this link into an email, send it through Salesforce, or include it in follow-up messaging. If we go to Instruqt, we also see our newly created invite. As soon as a prospect claims an invite and starts a session, Salesforce begins recording engagement data automatically. Let's take a quick look at the data. Inside the opportunity, you'll see related lists for your most recent Instruqt invites and Instruqt sessions. In the Instruqt Invites panel, we can click the invite ID directly to view, or select View All. Here we can sort and filter through all invites. Let's click on an invite to go to the Invite Details page. If we click on the Related tab, we can see the content included, contacts we sent it to, and the sessions involved in this invite. Head back to the Opportunity page and take a look at the Instruqt Sessions panel. We can easily click directly on the session or contact, or select View All. Just like the Invites page, we can sort and filter through all of our Instruqt sessions here. Let's click on a session. Each Session Details page contains a few sections of information. The session details allow us to see when they started and completed, and if they stopped and why. The Engagement tab is where you'll see all of the key activity data for this session. The Progress Summary shows live data per challenge. A circle means the user has not opened that challenge yet. A timer means it's currently being worked on. A check mark means it's completed successfully. And if a user takes multiple attempts to complete a challenge, it will be noted after the challenge title. When a user completes a lab, they're prompted to provide a rating and feedback. This data will automatically populate here in the Engagement tab. For more information about the Instruqt Salesforce integration, head to our documentation page.